Hi friends, I am Ritesh Dwivedi, a first year student of IIT Kharagpur, Department of Aerospace Engineering. I am from section 17 and today I will show you the disassembly and assembly of this old doorbell, although it's still working. So for checking if it's working or not, we will first connect its wires with these wires to get it power supply. So we can see it's working now. So for disassembly, we need to remove all the screws behind it. So this is what we can see after removing the front cover. Here are some basic parts like small metal plates along with a conducting wire which is coiled around an iron rod. When current flows through it, it makes that iron rod electromagnet, due to which it gets pulled back towards the plate and suddenly it leaves like this. Now we will remove these two screws and see what is inside this holder. So this is that electromagnet part, and here are the connection of power supply. Now I am going to reassemble this. Finally I have done the reassembly. Now after assembly, let's check if it's working or not. So we can see it's working completely fine.